Welcome back. Here we're going to go through and basically do a vlog style of what each printer is doing and what we expect to start doing throughout the year. Here on the Bambulab A1, we are printing off, essentially they are snowball makers to where they will clamp together around the snow, make a ball, then you can pull them apart and they will release the ball. Should be something pretty good for this impending snowstorm that we're going to get here soon. We'll see how that works. Down here we have a Prusa MK3S Plus. Currently it is unplugged. We're going to set it up and get it rolling once again with the Polymaker dryer and have PTFE tubing going from here all the way around to the top and then down. Should make it roll pretty easily. We'll see what happens. With the P1S, we are currently revisiting our Edamame headphones, and we are printing them as they were intended, not how we were trying to do them. So we'll see how they turn out, and that'll be up on our shorts videos. Over here on the X1 Carbon, apologize for the dirtiness, but we've been printing a lot of ASA, and it's currently printing off a miniature-sized snow shovel for snow. In the enclosed Prusa MK3S Plus, we're still working on the bed leveling and clipper on it to get it to go faster. It's kind of been put on the back burner for a little bit. Hoping to get back to that here soon. As you can tell, we print off a YouTube logo. We got our logo in the background. And then we have a Majin Buu. Just need to clean him up a little bit. As you can tell, supports are a little bit of a pain in the butt to remove. But once we do that, then we can put him on the stand and he should be good. Our slew of filament and the original Edamame headphones. A Batman bust and a Master Sword. Here's the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. It does print, but we're debating on making it a Core XY with the other Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. Just depends on how we go about it here soon. And here is our slew of filament. Just had to get it all stacked up, whatnot, and get that moving. Here we have our 2 AMS units and parts for our modifications to make a Python AMS unit. With that Python AMS unit, we'll end up making it to where we can put any size filament in the AMS and it should work way better than the original ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.